Hello everyone, welcome to another vlog on my YouTube channel. Vlogs are not something I often do. I record some Instagram stories here and there and things like that, but on my channel I mainly review beauty products, talk about skincare and show you my professional beauty treatments. But whenever there is a special occasion that is happening in my life, I like to pick up my camera and share that experience with you. And today it's certainly that type of occasion. If you follow my social media, you might already know that what I'm talking about. But for you who only watch my YouTube channel or are new here, I have made it to the finals of Professional Beauty Awards 2022 in the category of Home-Based Beauty Business of the Year. For me to be one of the finalists, it's a massive achievement itself. But as that wouldn't be enough, I can also attend the awards gala, and as you might have already guessed, it's happening tonight in London at the Westminster Plaza Hotel, and I thought I will take you with me. So I am heading over to London for a whole day today. We have the main event tonight, and then tomorrow, depending on how I feel, I am planning some shopping in London. And the sales have just started here in the UK, so it would be nice to have a little browse around the shops in London. So that's the initial plan, but we will see how it goes. And now the first step is the train station. Hello, and we made it to the hotel. We just left our luggage because we can't check in just yet because the hotel is full. As you could probably see, Paddington Station was extremely busy. And look who is here, my other half for tonight. Yes, Anna will be joining me. You know Anna from my blogs and vlogs already. She will be joining me today for the awards gala. Super excited. I will show you the invitations in a second.
Yes,
so yes, we are just heading over to Kensington Gardens to have a little mooch around, see what's nice to see there, and just a nice walk, a coffee, and then a lovely lunch. Amazing, what a beautiful weather, isn't it? It's just perfect, and that's another bonus when you are in London. You can discover so many places when the weather is like this. So yeah, amazing. It doesn't feel like London at all. It's so peaceful. Crowdy, but peaceful. So we are just walking back to our hotel after a lovely lunch at the Ivy in the Kensington area. We loved it. We really enjoyed it, wasn't it? Like oh yeah, we are full. Like we didn't even order a dessert. Oh my gosh, the sun is quite sharp, so I will put my glasses on. Oh, that's much better. And then after we check in, we will be getting ready for our night, the Gala Awards, Professional Beauty Awards 2022.
The winner is...
Yeah, right. Getting ready. So we just made it to the gala. We are just enjoying a first glass of champagne. I'm not gonna say I'm a bit nervous, so my I will try to keep this camera still, and I hope you will be able to hear me. I came a little bit on the sides because it's quite loud out there. Quite a few people tonight, isn't it? Quite a few, yeah. Beautiful hotel, beautiful hotel. So yes, I hope it's gonna be an amazing night. Well, I know it's gonna be an amazing night, full of great people and personalities. So yes, really looking forward to meet everyone. Wow, that looks just stunning. It's amazing. I wish you could be here with us and see it all in person. It looks much better in person than on the camera, but you can just imagine, it's amazing.
Are we ready, everybody? It is time to begin the Professional Beauty Awards, and to introduce the awards, I'd like to invite to the stage Head of Editorial for Professional Beauty, Ivy Kensington.
I wasn't supposed to say that, but I think, well, actually, yes, we all hope for the dance floor later, but I hope that all the finalists
all your beauty solutions. Elite Pros, ESHO. Present the award, please welcome FHD's Vice President, Maria Mason. Right, the finalists are Beauty by Joanna Bujarski.
Woo!
Amy House, Nail Buff, Brick House Beauty, Victoria House. The judges said the winning business is proactive within the industry, has an incredible passion, and always puts the client first. So Maria, who is this year's winner?
I just want to say beforehand, this is a new category for us, and without the magic of professional beauty, many of these mobile therapists would feel disconnected from the industry. So well done to Professional Beauty for keeping them connected. And the winner gives me huge delight to tell you is Brick House Beauty.
I really don't know what to say. Thank you so much, and hopefully Salon.
Right, the finalists in this category are Christina Hickman, the Granary Spa. Cameron Robinson, Ultra Chic and Neat. Emily Snowden, the Brick House Beauty. Estefania And judges were wowed by this year's winning therapist. From the incredible consultation and bespoke treatment service, she has truly mastered the art of listening to the client and adapting to their needs. So Candice, who is this year's winner?
And the winner is Estefania.
Oh my God. Good evening, everybody. Thank you so much to the Professional Beauty Awards for these amazing awards. Thank you to my parents, my partner, to be here, to support myself. Thank you to Cliveden, to my co-workers and my work team as well, to believe in myself and to support as well.
What an amazing event, guys. I hope you will be able to hear me, but thank you so much, Professional Beauty, for organizing such an amazing event. Congratulations to all the winners. You are truly exceptional. And yeah, I wish you all a beautiful careers moving forward. So yes, especially for our girl who was sitting by our table, Estefania, who won the Therapist of the Year. Such a lovely person, so congratulations to you, and yeah, to all the winners. Thank you so much again, and I will talk to you again probably tomorrow. What a great night, wasn't it?
Yes, amazing.
Yes, it was great, but look at this, look at all those lights. It's just beautiful. And Westminster just behind us, it's amazing. Thank you again, Professional Beauty, for organizing all of this for us.
Thank you, Joanna.
Yes, thank you, it was amazing. Good morning everyone. Such a weird place to start my day vlog from today, but it's a lovely quiet place. We are at the Hilton Hotel near the Kensington Gardens, just enjoying our breakfast, and then I am planning on doing some shopping tonight. So yes, hopefully we will have a nice shopping experience, and I'm planning to go first to go to the Covent Gardens and see what lovely pieces they have, especially Charlotte Tilbury, Rituals shop. So I have my favorite ones there, so hopefully I will be able to find something nice there and show you some interesting things. Charlotte Tilbury, which is just behind me. So I was just smelling the new Dior collection. The rose one is great, it's a true rose, but my favorite one I think is the Miss Dior, the more classy one. And right behind me here near the opera there is an empty shop. It used to be the Lisa Eldridge pop-up shop. Unfortunately I wasn't in London at that time, so I haven't got to see it in person, but maybe in the future. So yeah, Dior perfumes, beautiful. And I think I found a lovely set at Rituals. I might get myself a little set or like a diffuser or something, because I've just finished my diffuser. So yeah, oh, so sad. I would love to see her pop up here by the Royal Opera House, but anyway, let's continue. beautiful as per usual. Great atmosphere at the Covent Gardens. Right, so I have just made it back to the hotel. I am picking up my luggage right now and I'm heading over to the Paddington station. I know I might look rather tired because I am. London always makes me tired. The crowds, how big it is, everything. So yes, plus I had a late night last night. So yes, once again, I know I said that already probably 1,000 times in this vlog, but I am super thankful and super grateful that I made it to the finals of the Professional Beauty Awards 2022 in the home-based beauty business of the year. Yes, this is a massive achievement to me. So thank you again, Professional Beauty, for organizing such an amazing event. The venue was just spectacular. All the people were so friendly. I mean, I truly enjoyed it. So yes, lovely thing to attend. Sorry, my hand is shaking. Hopefully it's not gonna be shaking that much now. But yes, I was carrying quite heavy shopping all day. So yes, I will probably show you on my Insta stories what I have bought during this shopping in London. But yes, so for now, thank you so much. Congratulations to all the winners. You truly deserved it. And yes, I will talk to you again very, very soon. I wish you all a beautiful day. And that's it for me for this vlog. Bye bye.